In this video, we are going to be making a fortune cookie, a paper fortune cookie. I am Leila Torres of OrigamiSpirit.com. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to this channel. This fortune cookie is very easy to make, and actually it includes a paper heart, which is part of the process. Enjoy it! To make this fortune cookie, we can use paper like printer paper. It's best if we use paper of same color on both sides. An ideal size for this would be 4.5 by 4.5 inches or about 11 by 11 centimeters. I will demonstrate with a larger piece of paper. Rotate the paper so that it looks like a diamond. And we are going to fold in half, corner to corner. Rotate. This folded edge is now up. And we are going to be making a fold from that folded edge to the center. It's a vertical fold and it's only to about the center. We just calculate it by eye. We bring the right corner to match the left corner and fold to the center. Leave it folded, and we are going to create a fold coming from the end of this previous crease here at the center out to the upper folded edge. To do that, we are going to, by eye, look at this distance, visualize halfway that distance and 1/4 from this edge to this, about there, or a little less. That's where we want to begin our next folds, about there. So it's going to come through all the layers from there to here. We are pre-folding here. Now we look at this distance that we have from that new corner out to the left corner. And now we are going to visualize thirds of this distance. So 1, 2, 3. About 1/3 or a little bit more, we are going to make the new folds. So we are going to make a fold coming from that folded edge, vertical, coming down to this raw edge. This section will match this folded section. And same on the back, we just trace, unfold, unfold, and we unfold it all the way to the square so that we see the mountain fold. So now we are going to identify this diamond at the center and a vertical central line of that diamond. We have one section that is valley fold and then other that is mountain fold. We want to reinforce all that section as a valley fold. So now all of that is valley. On the left here of the diamond, we have one section that is a mountain and another that is a valley. We want to reinforce both of them as mountain folds. So we have one that is already there as a mountain fold, and we have another one that is a valley fold, and we reinforce it as a mountain fold. Mountain, mountain, valley. This side we are going to leave it alone. Next, we are going to be blunting these two corners. We have the folds there, so we fold to the back. We are going to pinch together these two sections of the paper on the left side. This left side is going to lie above that right area of the diamond. But we are going to make sure that this point is raised up like this, like convex, but this is going to be concave. So now we do join those sections of the diamond together, and then we are going to fold along this mountain fold. And press from the back so that this back area rests against this front area. Now we are going to blunt these corners here. We determine the midpoint of this distance and about there. This is going to be a universal fold because we fold to the front and we fold to the back. Make sure that this distance equals this distance. And now we insert our finger and press that short area and reverse it. So we do an inside reverse fold. Same on this side. We can reinforce all the folds. We have the heart. 2 more steps and we will have a fortune cookie. We take a look to this point, that is the highest point of the heart. Between that point and the lower corner of the heart, we are going to count about 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1/3. About there, fold to the back so that we blunt that corner. And then we can press here so that it curves. And then we're going to be making a valley fold along this folded edge at the center. To do that, we press here. From underneath, we keep this rounded. We want to create that valley fold. From behind, just make sure that we create that, and then we can hold those two sections together. So we have created this flap here. I am going to change hands so that we can see it clearly. See this point? We are going to blunt that corner about halfway this distance. We hold it from there and turn it over. Make sure that we pull from the lower corner and round. Then we can insert a little fortune into there.